Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to completely stop or block AnyDesk access on your laptop. Whether you want to stop someone from connecting remotely or uninstall AnyDesk completely, I'll guide you through it. Option 1. Disable unattended access open AnyDesk on your laptop. Click on the three lines in the top right corner and go to Settings. Now click on Security from the left menu. Here, uncheck the box next to Enable unattended access. This will stop anyone from connecting to your device without your permission. Also, you can change your password here if needed. Option 2. Quit AnyDesk if you just want to close it temporarily. Right-click on the AnyDesk icon in the taskbar and click Quit AnyDesk. That stops it from running until you open it again. Option 3. Uninstall AnyDesk. To remove it completely, go to Control Panel Programs. Uninstall a program. Find AnyDesk in the list, right-click it, and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to remove it fully. Once that's done, restart your computer just to be safe. And that's it. You've now stopped AnyDesk access on your laptop. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Got a question? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.